Local health officials say at least 20 people have been killed, including at least 5 journalists, in Israeli airstrikes. The strikes hit a hospital in the southern city of Khan Yunis. You are looking at video of the smoke filling the air at Nasser hospital. Witnesses say there were 2 drone strikes just moments apart. Israel says it regrets any harm to uninvolved individuals and insists it does not target journalists. The CBC's Julia Chapman is monitoring developments, and she joins us now from London. So, Julia, what more do we know about this deadly incident?
Well, it does appear to have been a so-called double tap attack, meaning one attack took place and after an initial response from emergency workers and journalists, another one shortly followed. That's what officials on the ground are saying. It appears to be borne out in live footage that was being filmed of the building as the second strike took place. And according to reports, we are hearing that a number of those involved in this attack who were killed were journalists. The Reuters news agency says that its cameraman, Hussam al-Masri, was killed in the first attack. He was filming a live shot from the roof of that hospital, and Reuters has published some of that footage. It shows the moment where the live stream freezes and eventually cuts out. Then there was a second strike, and according to the Associated Press, a freelancer that was working for that news organization died in that attack. Miriam Daga, she was 33 years old. Al Jazeera says a freelance cameraman that it worked with was also killed. His name was Mohammed Salamah, and 2 other journalists are understood to be among the dead. It's not clear who they worked for. One member of Gaza's civil defense was also reportedly killed in this attack. Now, the Israeli Defense Forces says that it did carry out a strike in the area of Nasser Hospital today. It hasn't explained what they were targeting, but they also say they regret any harm to uninvolved individuals, as they put it, and they say they will investigate how this happened.
And Julia, what sort of reaction are you hearing to this?
Well, there has been condemnation and concern from the organizations that employed these journalists in Gaza. Of course, Israel prevents international journalists from going into the Gaza Strip, so many organizations are dependent on local Palestinian reporters and camera people. Reuters says that it was devastated to learn of al-Masri's death, as well as injuries to another of its contractors. It is asking for more information from the Israeli government and for urgent medical assistance to that injured journalist. The Associated Press says it's shocked and saddened to hear of Daga's death. Al Jazeera says this shows clear intent to bury the truth. Now, Israel denies targeting journalists in the war in Gaza, but the Committee to Protect Journalists says that at least 196 have been killed in the past couple of years, the overwhelming majority of them Palestinians. There's also been a statement from the head of the World Health Organization, Dr. Tedros. He said, while people in Gaza are being starved, their already limited access to healthcare is being further crippled by repeated attacks. He says, stop attacks on healthcare, ceasefire now. And he confirmed that among the 20 people killed, 4 of them were healthcare workers, and a number of patients already seeking treatment in that hospital were further injured in these strikes.
That is the CBC's Julia Chapman in London.